Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can rename your plot in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. You're going to go to the setting menu, open up your watch and then select setting, and you're going to go to the home settings. And here you can edit your home name. I'm going to name it like this. Click on OK and click on edit, and then you can check the change on your map. Okay, where is my home? Okay, and my home's name has been changed. Thank you guys, and that's how we can rename our plot in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!